There are a lot of challenges that come with living in a van full-time. I'm always looking for ways to make my life on the road as comfortable as possible. Here are my top 5 reasons why living in a bubble magnetic window covers are essential for you and your van. They're quality made. I originally made my own window covers to save cash. They only lasted a short time. Being out in the sun, the heat wears down the material and it also snaps the threads, leaving the magnets to fall out. My living in a bubble shades are really sturdy. The magnets are sewn in professionally and they look a whole lot better than my budget option. They fit your windows perfectly. Living in bubble shades are made specific for your van model. They fit the interior size of your window perfect with no light leaks, meaning you can be inside with all your lights on and nobody will have a clue. They're multifunctional. Not only do they cover your windows, but the back set have these handy pockets. I store my back door locks in one and my phone charger in the other, so they're always accessible when I need them. They're easy to store. All the shades fold up flat for easy storage. They come with a quality bag which protects the shades when not in use. The back ones can also be stored on the windows. Just roll them up and secure with the straps. I prefer to roll mine down. The magnets hold them against the door and now you can still see out the window while driving. And the last one, this is the main reason you need to get the complete set of shades. They will keep the van cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Put your shades up during the day when it's hot and you'll keep the interior cooler. If I'm leaving for a hike, I'll stick all my shades up and leave the van completely dark inside. They act as security because no one can see inside when you're gone, and you'll come back to a much cooler van. And one more thing, most people think window shades only keep the heat out. They're also brilliant at keeping the van warmer on those really cold nights. These shades are insulated and they have made such a difference sleeping during the cold winter nights here in Central Australia. I hope you love your living in a bubble window covers as much as I do.